probably nasty and off by now.
What it feels like to exist in a body that can
In between the two of you where you sit,
autopilot
there's one right there.
because I had that button. Oh no, I feel a bit jealous.
Yes,
Doesn't matter if it's on this side or not. It's
It
doesn't
close clean, but it's not a fun thing. Do you know what I mean? Like, cleaning and laundry, it's just alien. It's not something but mind you,
Oh shit! You fucking insane!
clean clothes.
Yeah. So, I guess that's a huge issue. The inability for me
Are you fucking insane?
on autopilot
And you have a Tesla, are you fucking dumb?
to not be able to pick up routine.
You better pull over, I need your details. You're paying for my car's damage.